Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the advanced search function on the google.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should tap on the settings button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on Advanced Search, which is the second button, and here you should select or type in all the words that you would like to search with or find pages with. So just type in a word. Then put the exact words in quote, as you can see. So here you can see the example next to this box. Then you should type in any of these words and type or between all the words you want, as you can see it in this example. Then you should type in the words with a minus sign that you don't want to search for, and also the numbers can be added as a unit of measurement. And then you can narrow down your search by selecting a language, a region, the last update. Then you can also specify the site or domain. Terms appearing safe search option can be like you can hide explicit results. You can set the file type and the usage rights. If you are done, then click on the advanced search button, and here you will be able to find the relevant results narrowed down to your preferences. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.